So, how do you keep your chicken from tasting like rubber, being dry when you cook? Everyone, this is Travis with another fitness mastery tip for you. So for those people that are trying to start their healthy cooking adventure, you might notice you're going to start trying to do sauteed chicken or beef, pork, any kind of lean meat of choice. And you're probably running into the situation to where, let's be honest, it just doesn't taste that good. It tastes very dry and rubbery. I'm going to show you the simplest trick that you can do to make sure that your chicken, if you're going to do this, doesn't taste like just a rubber band right here. All right, so right now, I've got chicken sauteing. I actually preferably mix it with just a little bit of olive oil. I think it keeps the flavor better. And of course, a good seasoning of choice, which we use Tacticalory. And let me show you this simple trick on how to keep your chicken from being dry. That's it. That's all you gotta do. It's not rocket science in this one. If you're finding into the situation to when, what's happening, if you're noticing, a lot of the water is leaving, but if you keep it covered up, it doesn't have to be with just a general top. I find that works best. You can use a plate of any kind. Just keep something covering the chicken. You'll find it cooks a little better, and it comes out a lot. It doesn't come out as dry, which we run into a lot of. So a little bit of olive oil, keep it covered. You'll find out it comes out a lot tastier, a lot better. Doesn't taste like crap anymore. It makes that a lot easier, and you can kind of go from there. Me personally, I don't like chicken. It just doesn't sit well. I've never been a fan of it as for one case or another, but if you like it, this is going to be your way to do it. Heck, any kind of meat that you can use, just cover it, and you're going to be a good spot. So tell me, guys, if you cook protein, what kind of issues are you running into? What is going on? What are the problems you're running into when it comes down to cooking protein? Just not making it taste as good. I'd be love to know and love to see if I can help out in any way, shape, or form. But in the meantime, everyone, take care. Have amazing workouts, even better meals, and I look forward to chatting with all of you later this week.